Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bitso app, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you have an Android device, find the Google Play Store. In the App Store or Google Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top. Type Bitso into the search bar. Press the search button to initiate the search. Find the Bitso app in the search results. Tap on the Bitso app icon to open the app page. On the app page, look for the Install or Get button. Tap on the Install or Get button to begin the download. Wait for the Bitso app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Bitso app by tapping Open. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Follow the prompts to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If creating a new account, enter your email and set a password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You may be asked to verify your identity using a phone number. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once your identity is verified, return to the main app interface. Take a moment to explore the app features. Check the security settings and enable two-factor authentication if available. Now you are ready to start using the Bitso app for trading or managing your assets. Enjoy your cryptocurrency journey with Bitso. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.